Hello viewers, I hope you all are doing well and enjoying your life to the fullest. Welcome to my channel Wonder Cookroom. In today's video we are going to make a very delicious potato salad. Watch the full video to know the recipe. First of all, we would gather all the ingredients we need. Starting off with the vegetables we need, I used 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes, half a cup of green peas, 2 medium-sized carrots, a medium-sized onion, and half a cup of mayonnaise. Talking about the spices for the dressing, I used 3 to 4 garlic cloves. I would mince it or grind it, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of fresh coriander, half teaspoon of dried mint leaves. You can use any other veggies or spices you like. Moving on to the preparation for the salad, here I am going to cut the potatoes in cubes. I am doing this so that we get them boiled fast. Next, I would put them in 1 to 2 cups of water with a little salt to taste. Next, we are going to cut the carrots. I cut them in bite-sized cubes. You can even boil the vegetables. I did not boil any other vegetable except the potatoes. Now we are going to chop the onion in very small pieces. It's your choice how you want to cut it. It tasted perfect like this. After all the veggies are cut and all potatoes are boiling, I would make the dressing. To the mayonnaise, I am adding the garlic. I grinded the garlic. You can even mince it or chop it or as you like. Next, we would be adding the salt and black pepper to the mayonnaise, and then we'll give it a very good mix. When the potatoes are boiled, keep them aside to cool down before making the salad. Now everything is here, so we are going to the assembly part. In a bowl, add the potatoes, carrots, peas and the mayonnaise. Drizzle the coriander and the mint and give it a good mix. Make sure that you don't mash the potatoes. Give it a generous mix so that everything is mixed well. After it gets mixed well, we are going to put this away in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours, just so that everything is put together. Your delicious potato salad is ready to serve. This was it for today's video, everyone. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed it. Do try this recipe at home. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment what you think. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.